one lawyer BTG who said he will be the counsel for the family of Castro the destroyer. Ewie koye nsem bebre. Mekao. So we fear Mekao. What happened? What triggered all these things? People need to answer questions. Ghana for mummy musam kofobi nsem bi. Then the Koba ya say the lawyer no volunteer said or volunteer, no one was standing in for the family. What happened? Orefia Mekao. Theophilus Tego. Ediye me boy den e sound ewu tirim. Theophilus Tego. Theophilus Tego, popularly known as Castro the Destroyer. Under fire. Castro the Destroyer. Castro ne fridge mun komo ana fridge mun semwa ye ba be ye pie no enne ye focus e won ho se me body no ensem bebre na about three before video ni be kwa wie no me eya na the latter part on the ya na hia me but me serew ensem no hwe fiti ase na huru the trender asem esi ko eno na be bo me no mienu na yetimi arrival at a conclusion ni ehunu nsem a na wo figimo ya kwakọ yi aba me din do for Michael me se fam ya fie sana na be bia be mi bia se fie sana na me je so kama na nsem wo ho a e se fridge mu a wunnim ana se wunnim kra na wo fi se fridge mu no nsem bi hye ho me bi yiba ni aka wo asem ni apa asem no pomasi bre na ansa na me konsem no so no ene fridge mu nkomo no ye be sentence ewo eye Castro the Destroyer ni nsem na before ye be koso no ye bi nkrasesem segment ebrew mi twa me ho aba mi twa me ho koba mi serew nkrasesem segment na me na ba so mo mi din do for Michael ye twa ho aba sisi aha too much gh mi twa me ho aba operation midiane amanse nsonoma ana amanse bofo bi amanse sunsum kese magiatum na unse ho ne ma yete sunsum sam atire sunsum ase se obi pese wotena o man Ghana ni wiase no hu se bibi free soro ba dia too much Ghana aji won sam hwe no abrabo ba si wie abrabo ba tane na obehu se mihia ne ntam ana misua bi ntam a ka me pono na mu ato na me safo ayira no ka me hu ne ntam ye kire wade ye ma hu sunsum mu nsam ye ma te de ba hwe na kane bi aso e ba ji o nsam
because I can say oh share too much gh but Mr. Wa subscribe to this channel very important o subscribe wa Mr. notification button no e ho ehia me adoma no boso for comments bra na like na ebushia dom no enguro na enye kese ti se big pant no na yeko eye ene yinkura segment no so ene yinkura sesem amede bro no eye se enema bibiri wo a wo ya wani ni so se yinkura sesem ba me kai wo e ma hunu se sa de we yinkura sesem no ebi ne se yenka se o chewing gum a enye tie ni ye chewing of gum e bo ma wo jaw ana wo se strengthen no well established ya jatum but ebe yinkura sesem se o chewing gum e wo nipam na odie sound bi eba bet cha na o pai balu e wo chewing gum atay
nipam masa madam eyim kurasisem so ba chewing gum na be tita na obi ehu se wo wi bibi eyim kurasisem so ni mo ameka kire na ni kurasisem kura se twame nso no titiu ebi mo wi chewing gum na wie no obo se otiasore dem na odi atale akonwa ase ana se ka mu no otia na odi atale baabi ana baabi obefani ne self bia no na odi atale baabi obefani ne self bia masa madam eyim kurasisem mo ani na ho ne kurasisem no ye di binumuti eyo say normal ba ye normal o eyim kurasisem now the new normal ne say we chewing gum now we na person disposing the offer petition na fa yi fi wonum fa tissue no ho pe dustbin bi na fa tum eno any the normal so wan ye saa masa madam me say e dey me dey say o dey asoso ma me say eyim kurasisem ti me sew me dey de bia me ba me try say eniema wani new ho so a eyim kurasisem no me twe wa adwin si so na ye fro ne aba the new normal e wo say ye ma ye di ye hunni na bibia ye bia no ebetimi aye kama na bibia di asomdwe aba na me koso e kai wo say nkurasisem no ma ye nyai ye nte so na beboa me no mienu nyina me da asese de bia ogibre obi say ono de nkurasisem segment no kra na ono wantia na eye ham me damase comment na wo de ba no I really appreciate cause ebi mu de omo ye ni nkurasisem so wo susu wo nkurasisem bi ebi mu ye ya dwini so a de fa WhatsApp me na ye nkyere Ghana for say ye ni abie the new normal no na ye koso na ma ye free eye nkurasisem no so na ye mra fridge mu nkomo na ye fridge mu ensem ewo mu no no na ye apie before me share me dwumade na se no me di kan kai wo say Theophilus Tego dodo na nim se friend Castro the destroyer Castro so on picture no Castro yes ono ene ne ye be kan ne ho asem nyame ya adomo a on the 6th of July we ye di animu 2021 na mark the 7th year of the disappearance of Castro the destroyer any Janet Bandu they are getting about him as at now fridge mu nsam no me say ensam a wo feel say Ghana for you mu bi you we feel no na me the bro then and about him so what take Castro edinya they are some and about him I'm giving you some seconds to think about it. What take Castro Dino? They are doing about him. Just be sincere with yourself. Never comment, no, Ebra. What take Castro ni Janet Bandu asemno? They are saying about him. Just comment. They are about him, no. Me ever say, any nature free Jimua. Ni ko yimpie. These are some of the stories that the Biani ye catch us say. Subscribe to Too Much GHR. And they be more amount asiem. Ye din semwa. If you say you refi no, and only the bro. Janet Bandu, I want a family. Theophilus Tego, I friend Castro, and so I want a family. Just recently, yay, now you yay, say. Near some maybe Bob on Tin say. Akuhu Castro. Ewo marine spirit world. It's just in Suasi. Akuhu Castro. Na Castro there. Castro fitani. Oye ka Suasi. Sure. Let us be serious a little bit in this country. Let us be serious, at least serious 1 minute in this country. Sure. Contractor no and asomia no ocha kwan na anka wodan no So akọ ni gene na ni tini o kwan we twa ne kama say masa say ye twa ne car ho dan a ka be kasa akwa no wasa wan ko school papa. That is what you say. And only a seman ka obeka. Now it saddens my heart. It saddens my heart. Per some of the investigations are ecophobia carry. You see a bully you see one funny thing we don't know they say Kromu ya mrawaha. Ya mrawaha. The laws of the country works and it works perfectly. So when mama catch you Kromu ha emra ye adwuma papa. Emra eye adwuma. Ne won krofo so a o mo hwe emra no ma emra ne adwuma wo kromu a. Me kayo. Na ye mra mu no it will be only fair and wise. Say who pronounce Castro dead prematurely because emra ne tire say after 7 years of disappearance of somebody, no. And no one bet me I justify saying nipa na wu. It as have now me no ka say there. Even if you know say Castro wu, and even if you think say Castro is alive, as at now, Andrew on the 6th of July, no, you cannot pronounce that Castro is dead. We were here. Some of our musicians, Abba Bonting, because they still believe say Castro is still there. Yes. People still believe in that. Say Castro, Castro. If he's not dead, where is he? If he is alive, where is he? We are not disputing the fact, sir. You cannot share your sentiments on these issues. But me Cairo say some she free him. And some she free him no. Jere bandu abusua. De asem and a Ghana for a catching worm. Castro abusua de asem and a Ghana for a catching worm. Now, hear me say, some people have not been called to book. Some people have not been called to book. Yes. Yes, I'm telling you, Mekao. People are walking freely. People are walking freely. In the story of Jerebandu, Ami Castro, a disappearance, no. It was alleged, say. It was alleged, say. Yankasa skipper. The former skipper. Bosu, we Charles salute. Asamoah na down for power. Any Castro the destroyer. Omo born you. Owo na monko, me chiao. Omo ko se omo kwa koji omani. Now you see, there was a video I may share here. Now the skipper was having an interview with Delay. He said it in the video. Said to him. Already ono on jesa abusumsum say a kobusum consultation is animal on Jindi. But to him, omo tell say case we dey see do betimi akọ. Sa conform supposed conform your akwa investigation. Ashia consulting goals no avese ampa se nsuo na fa ne nua no ana se saying okoye no to his knowledge ne there. To him, dear Castro is dead. Baby omu kokoji omeni no adan ho no hotel e wo ho bisi ne yete wo hwe. My question now is, are we sitting down waiting, say, since July, Beba, 2021? Near pronouns say, okay, this is the day that Castro got missing. That is the 7th year of his disappearance. So now, Obia betimi pronounce say Castro is dead. Na ya ja tum say ampa wawu ana. Is that what we are waiting for? What are we supposed to do as Ghanaians? Because that gentleman was a true entertainer. And he has really left a legacy in Ghana music. Company, what are we doing to what are we doing for them? Yes, Ketchaman Pro Castro, ne Ketchaman Association. The music and association. People are taking royalties of it. And somewhere, you were here, you know, Kromwa. And the thing said Castro Busia, any man and the papa. Omotiasi. One lawyer, BTG, who said he will be the counsel for the family of Castro the Destroyer. So what happened? What triggered all these things? People need to answer questions. Ghana for Sembi. Then the Koba said the lawyer no volunteer said, oh volunteer, no one was standing in for the family. What happened? What happened to the team that went for that trip? This disappearance nearby. What is happening? Are people above the law? I'm just asking. This is a simple question that need bisa Ghanaians. I respect Asamoah a lot. I respect him a lot. But the side time, I was say Otimi coming clean on these allegations. I know this is a fine gentleman. And he knows how to go by his ways. Said the bona you tagging the dino me ya. Because what this guy has done for Ghana and still doing for Ghanaians, he needs to be recommended. But here is the case, this disappearance of Castro, ama eka, and now say ama wanya dimbonibi woni din. Asa, I'm telling you, you are a brother. You know me. Come clean on these allegations. Never doing it clean in the minds of every Ghanaians. Come clean. Because we are coming to declare Castro dead and gone. If by 7th, 6th July, we don't hear anything from the family, anything from Castro himself and Janet Bandu, on the 7th, we are declaring him as dead and gone. Are we ready to make the funeral of Castro Destroyer? Ask yourself. People need to come clean. The court needs to justify Asa on a clean sheet. Say what happened on that sad day, and yet the fault of the Castro, and yet the fault of Asa and in the team, but maybe the fault of Ebia, Janet Bandu, and then Castro. Na bra udi ho mrenyam, cause a dear one bra penyano. It shouldn't be say Sabi nanka wo de and you na open akọ boni. If you okra you can attest to it say one kasa wuti bi say na mfam krofo kra enkonkoji wani. Ese u feeling. Ese u feeling. Eya. But the truth need to be told. The truth need to be told. Where is Castro the Destroyer? Kofi Kinata once came, say onu obi di nkomo on the birthday, obi friend na oni di nkomo a nipa no oni ne kasa wie ye no. It's alleged say Castro. Ejeri na Kofi Kinata ehun. Come out. People should come out, give us answers to some questions. Where is Castro the Destroyer? Where is General Bandu? I don't want to leave General Bandu out of the story because already near Luna disappearance in the bay. General Bandu and so a family. What are the family going through as of now? Ask yourself. I say, it should be said, as some bar, and you will show me now, a bar for four, you could see everybody talking about it. Yeah, Castro, yeah, na say. Now, what are you saying? You can't. Castro was the breadwinner for their family. If you don't know, I'm telling you, he was the breadwinner for their family. Castro had wife and ancestor no girlfriend. He was taking care of the Sedipan. Now, is the person supposed to move on in his life or her life? What is the family too going through? These are multi-million questions that we need to ask. Let's dip down into the whole issue. Now you be free move famra. Things are going on in this country, and I'm telling you, the youth need to rise. People need to be answering questions. Deep questions. And also they say, oh, but you get people who shut you down. Whoa, hey, if you don't take care, hey, yo, you will put to, hey, you will say, hey, you will ring around, sir. You will be, if you threaten us, if you die, you will go. If you die, you will go. People always saying, I'm in a very pan, I'm in a very pa. Nippon a very pa. Say, you nippon a very pa. And can send me one, can come once. Can't my family conquer that. Because people provide money for people to feed on. What's that? What the country is going, you know. I pity the generation coming from your descendants. I'm telling you. I pity them. You will be your auntie say your man okuna the idea. And you never work and there will be no solution for this country. People need to ask questions. People need to answer questions. What you tenase? From time I Castro film be seen there. I'm using a film because the disappearance in be seen there and here. One more babontin na beka say omu feel say Castro etiase no. All those people, the Ghana Police Service should call them. They should invite them to investigations on it. What you remember one take a kemba me kadu opebiasa. Nipa nyam kwala. And I'm saying this, obietu no obi nobody on this earth, nobody. I repeat, nobody can do anything without the person's faulting that person. I'm telling you. It's rather unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. So all these things are happening. The police should invite each and every one now. What can say? Onim Castro. Say Castro muye. And I say, well, the police need to invite all those people. Give questions because some man who can say after 7 years of disappearance of somebody now, bet you declare the panel. And man him say, obey the from that time about the 7th year. No, it's what is the law giving us as Ghanaians? This is a multi-million question that I'm asking the law. On what basis would the law stand on and declare Castro dead on 6 July as Sebe? Dia kano yedi free regime. That's ene the best here. Now me say the name always remain above my cure. Unuma bontia from a fierce hana na me talk crusade. No matter so come. I have too much GH. Subscribe to your channel no. Or subscribe am say my comment in soon as you like it. Near first some no de bia. Unuma bontia you just smile. Me smile ya yo. Umuna me muna show. I'm out. Bless up.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetun afem the great ampo, mbrembrem. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH, mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.